Today we'll be making soy-based beef. Today we'll be making JangJoRim. It's a soy braised beef and it pairs really well with this other dish called keranbap or egg rice. Here are the ingredients that I used. You can also add in green onions and shishito chili peppers to flavor your soy sauce, but they're completely optional. I recommend that you also add in peeled hard-boiled eggs and braise together with the meat. Start off by adding your meat and water to a pot, and then add in your soy sauce, and then add in your sugar. Put your pot on the stove on medium heat. As we are waiting for the pot to heat up, grab your garlic and make sure they're peeled. Cutting off the butt helps with peeling them. Once the pot is starting to boil, add in your onion and garlic. We'll leave this to boil for about 30 to 45 minutes. Just make sure everything has been cooked thoroughly. After the meat has cooked, just turn off the stove and let it cool down. Remove the onion and garlic. Once it has cooled, the fat will start to reform as a solid. Try to remove some before moving on to the next step. Start to pull the meat apart with your hands and place it into a container. Then pour the soy sauce mix into that same container with the meat. Now it's ready to be stored in the fridge. If you have a stronger concentration of soy sauce, you can store the JangJoRim for longer in the fridge. Now that we're done making the side dish, let's move on to making egg rice. First, add some vegetable oil to a pan and fry an egg or two on medium heat. Add the fried egg on top of a bowl of rice, and then add a couple drops of sesame oil. And now the most important part, add the soy sauce from the JangJoRim. You can use regular soy sauce or salt if the rice dish is not seasoned well enough for you. Then mix thoroughly, and if you'd like, you can garnish with green onion, but it's not necessary. And here are our two dishes. Scoop up a spoonful of egg rice and add a bit of meat when eating. It's absolutely amazing. I hope I made the steps easy enough to follow along. If you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this dish. Thanks.